Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Francis X1 espresso maker. It's a vintage machine designed by Luca Trozzi, and it is one of the first ones that they've made, first sets of espresso machines. Very cool retro look to it, beautiful red color. You can see in the back it is a Francis X1, okay, made in Italy. Okay, designed by Luca Trozzi. These are rare machines. Okay, you see in the back with the where the water goes into, and it has a little filter on the end of it. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is a little cubby hole, I guess you could say, for the water tank. Basically, put that in there, fill up your water, just slides right in. Okay, and you see on the front here, I've already had it warming up a little bit beforehand, which also turn on the machine. It warms up the top in here as well, and I have these cute little Illy espresso cups, okay, to make the espresso. I use the pods, okay, the little Illy pods that they have here, the Intenso blend. I like that blend. It's a bold, strong blend. So I prefer those. And they just go inside the pot holders that I have for this one. Basically, pop it open like that and pull them out of there, but I already have a few out. Okay, so here's how you do it. Turn the machine on, push that down. Okay, it starts to heat up on the top. This will start to blink. There we go. When the coffee's ready, or when the water is ready to temperature, take the pod out of there, place it in the pod holder. You want to make sure that the Illy is on the top. There's nothing on the bottom, so make sure that this, well, you see the Illy logo on the top, is facing up. Okay, and you put it in to the machine down there, and you make sure it's nice and tight into the machine. It just screws in or slides in and turns over pretty easily. This is a kind of a pod holder type of thing. I've just washed it off. I use it kind of as a drip tray underneath, because sometimes it does drip. This comes right out so you can clean it off. Okay, a little bit of coffee on there. Pretty nice little machine. Very compact, not much to it. The steam nozzle here, okay? This is to make the espresso. This is for the steam, and then that's to gauge the amount of steam. Okay, so you can see this is ready. It's warm on the top. So I'm going to take one of my espresso cups, place it under there, and I'm going to turn it so you can see it. Okay, you want to make sure it's lined up with the hole underneath here nicely. And now this is espresso. It's not a full coffee cup that you're going to make. If you like a strong cup of coffee, this is for you. If you've been to Europe and you like the espressos that you get there, this is on par with anything that you'll have over there. It's delicious. I've spent a number of years living in Europe, so I'm kind of used to this espresso strength. Not everybody is. It's definitely not a weak cup of coffee. Okay, and I leave it to that level. All right, now rather than taking a separate, putting my cup underneath here, I have a separate mug that I use in order to clear the water. You want to make sure you clear some of the water out of here that will come out initially. Okay. You see that's just water coming out. And then it will get to a high level of steam. Okay. So you want to turn that down. Don't turn it off. Just turn it down, and then I have a little bit of milk already prepped, and then you can steam your milk. do not immerse that in your cream or your milk. I don't know if you can hear me on that. Do not immerse your milk or cream into the spigot here, because it will eventually clog this up. And if it does clog it up, I have a solution for you how to clear it. You take a little pin, okay, a paper clip, okay, or a pin, a very thin one. It can't be a thick one, okay, and make sure you put on a glove for this. I've had to do this a few times. And you basically put it up inside here and just poke it around a little bit, okay, and that will clear it up, okay, and that will come out a little bit better for you, because sometimes things get caught up in there, some of the liquid. And if you have hard water, some of the lime will also get in there as well. So I find that that works for me. So, but make sure you protect your hands. This gets very hot, so do not touch that with your bare hands, okay? So that is pretty much it. You want to make sure you turn your machine off if you're not going to use it again. But if you are, you can keep working with it. And I will show it to you again. Take this off, unscrew it. This is how you take it out. All right, take this off. It's hot, so be careful. And do another one. Make sure that you have enough water in the jug in the back. Okay, check your water level. You don't want to run out of water. Again, put the Ely side up in there, and you screw it back in. Take your other warm cup. Make sure it's lined up underneath the hole. Make sure it's at temperature. You can see from the other cup. And you're all set. Turn off your machine and refill your water tank. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.